You trying to fight? You trying to fight? You trying to fight? There you go. Now you look comfy. Your uncle had you jacked up. It worked.
Yeah, it's familiar.
There it is. No gas for you.
Good? Was that tasty? Why would you do this to me? Why? Okay. You're just gonna have to do that.
No, he's not. My name is Paul. Paul This is a man's world. He said, this is a man's world. This is a man's world. Come on, do it like you mean it. You're welcome. Oh, cool.
Oh, snaps. Ooh.
Yeah, so maybe next time it'll help you on the court and maybe you'll beat me. Probably not.
On the same
Probably not the. No, I wasn't. You were on Lawrence's team.
Yeah.
And you lost.
Alright, so. Fresh.
Oh,
No,
don't eat it.
What do you think? Do you remember those days when you took your foot and you put it in your mouth?
I don't remember none of
Who's that?
it. Yeah.
Who's that?
I haven't thought about it.
That's you. Are you not entertained? Are you not entertained?